In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color like a pro using Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're a beginner or you have some experience, today we're going to explore one of the fundamental skills that can dramatically transform your digital artwork, the art of coloring. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to begin by making a selection. Adobe Photoshop provides various tools for this task, and it's important to choose the one you're most comfortable with. Some popular choices include the pen tool, the magnetic lasso tool, and the lasso tool. However, in this video, I'll be demonstrating with the magic wand tool. This tool is particularly user-friendly for beginners and is very efficient as it automatically selects adjacent pixels based on color and tone. This feature makes it perfect for areas with consistent colors. Once you've selected the magic wand tool from your toolbar, simply click on the area of the image you want to colorize. If you need to refine your selection to add or subtract certain parts, remember you can hold down the Shift key to add to your selection or the Alt key to remove from it. This feature provides you with more control, allowing for a more precise selection, which is especially useful around intricate edges or when dealing with multiple color zones. Having established your selection, the next step is to head over to the Layers panel. Here, you'll want to create a new fill or adjustment layer. For this tutorial, we'll be focusing on the hue saturation adjustment, which is a powerful tool in your arsenal. To do this, simply click on the new fill or adjustment layer icon, which looks like a half-filled circle, then select Hue Saturation from the drop-down menu. Inside the Hue Saturation panel, you'll encounter a checkbox labeled Colorize. This is where the magic really happens. By checking this box, you're enabling the feature that adds color over your selected area, unifying it under a new hue. Once Colorize is enabled, you'll notice three sliders: Hue, Saturation, and Lightness. These allow you to experiment with different looks, subtly or dramatically altering the mood and impact of your work. Adjust the Hue slider to select the core color you wish to apply, then use the Saturation slider to control the intensity of this color, making it either more vibrant or more muted to suit your project's needs. Lastly, tweak the Lightness slider to adjust the brightness or darkness of your color, perfecting the aesthetic balance you're aiming for. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effectively bring a new dimension to your images, making them vibrant and eye-catching. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different selections and color settings to truly master this technique.